Nasdaq's running hard right now. You can see this thing's just on a monster uptrend. So the market's lost all types of volatility, but it's great for swing trading right now because the market just grinds higher every day. But you can see, like, when you're in this kind of grind mode, the day trading opportunities get less because the market's in that kind of, it just moves up like 0.5% every day. You're not getting that up and down. But if you're doing overnight holds, it's amazing. So one of the keys of being a good trader is having different things that you can do, right? So like if the market is only giving me swing trades, then I swing trade. If the market is not allowing me the volatility for proper day trades, then I want to lay off the day trades. Like for today, I made 0 day trades. I came in the chat room, I hung out with my students. I said, guys, there's no trades today, right? But let's keep an eye on these and we'll see if they set up later, because right now we're just in that big uptrend, but we're not getting any pushback or any volatility, which is what a day trader often needs.